Terra Luna Classic's biggest push ever just started. How high will we go? Terra Classic has grown enormously in price since its update. What will be the price ceiling for this cryptocurrency? Will it be able to break into the top of the best cryptocurrencies? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The current price of Terra Classic today is $0.000248 with a 24-hour trading volume of $512,035,696. We update our lunc price in US dollars in real time. The 4-hour lunc chart complemented other indicators on the network, as it assumed a huge advantage of bulls in the market. The exponential moving average, EMA, tape indicated a large gap between the 20-day EMA and the 55-day EMA, thereby indicating that buyers have an advantage. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, readings also painted a similar picture, as the blue lines seem to be moving away from the red line. All indicators and market indicators point in the same direction, that lunc may grow in the coming weeks, bringing joy to its investors. Nevertheless, on the one hand, the EMA and MACD tape showed a bull market. On the contrary, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, declined slightly on September 1st, which may hinder the continued growth of the lunc. All Terra tokens witness a massive rally as the community aims to recover prices through burning, staking, project building, ecosystem education, and governance. Especially, Terra Classic, lunc, has grabbed significant interest from investors with a daily trading volume jumping over $2 billion. The lunc price has skyrocketed by over 70% in a day. As the community aims to push prices over $0.0005, the daily trading volume has jumped over $2 billion. In the last 24 hours, the trading volume shoots over 550%, with $2.78 billion as the current trading volume. The community believes the short-term target of 1 cent could be hit this month if the momentum continues. The community has burned over 3.5 billion lunc tokens and staked over 528.8 billion lunc until now. Interestingly, over 400 million lunc tokens have been burned in the last 24 hours. And 28 billion has been staked in the last 24 hours. In fact, over $1 billion in trading volume has come from Binance alone, with KuCoin running out of lunc tokens. Moreover, the 1.2% burn tax proposal is to be released on Monday, September 12th. Recently, Terra has announced governance proposals, upgrades, burning, staking, etc. that led to prices rising significantly higher. Terra rolled out a new governance alert bot that notifies the community about all governance activities. The much-awaited 2% burn tax proposal will increase the burning rate of the lunc tokens. Thus, the community is bullish on Terra Classic, lunc. Meanwhile, Luna and USTC are also trading strongly, rising 9% and 26%, respectively. FTX yesterday announced suspending deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, on the FTX wallet from September 12. Also, FTX will end support for Anchor Protocol and delist ANC token. However, users can continue to support the convert function for lunc and USTC tokens. In addition, Binance is also suspending deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, on September 7. The closure of the shuttle bridge ends support for deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, via the Ethereum network. However, spot and market trading for lunc and USTC, along with the Binance Earn service, will continue to run. Terra Classic, lunc, which suffered a lot earlier this year, is growing again. The token registered a significant 7-day growth of 160%, which makes it one of the best players of the week. While the crypto industry is all hyped up and excited about this recent event, how sustainable is this surge? Although opinions differ, indicators and other changes in the ecosystem demonstrate positivity, increasing the chances of further growth in the coming days. Dreams come true. Lunc investors are going crazy as the token, after months of struggle, has finally gained some upward momentum. The lunc community is also excited about the 1.2% burn protocol, which is expected to be launched on September 12. After implementation, the community is confident that the price of lunc will soar again. The recent price increase has also been supported by a huge volume, which somewhat confirms the uptrend, further increasing the chances of lunc following a similar trend in the future. According to Sentiment, while the price has increased, the volume has also increased, reaching a maximum of $1.5 billion on September 1st. So this is a promising start to the month. Not only did the volume increase last week, but lunc's development activity and social media volumes also increased. Both of these positive signs further increase the chances of future spikes. Interestingly, although the price of Terra Classic has increased, Terra has announced that they are all ready to introduce a new management notification bot that will notify people about the latest management actions taking place on Terra. This new development may also be a possible reason for lunc's unmatched performance over the past few days, in addition to the recent network upgrade. Today we are pleased to introduce a new management notification bot, which will notify you of the latest management actions taking place on Terra. The 4-hour lunc chart complemented other indicators on the network, as it assumed a huge advantage of bulls in the market. The exponential moving average, EMA, tape indicated a large gap between the 20-day EMA and the 55-day EMA, thereby indicating that buyers have an advantage. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, readings also painted a similar picture, as the blue lines seem to be moving away from the red line. All indicators and market indicators point in the same direction that lunc may grow in the coming weeks, bringing joy to its investors. Nevertheless, on the one hand, the EMA and MACD tape showed a bull market. On the contrary, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, declined slightly on September 1st, which may hinder the continued growth of the lunc. Crypto derivatives exchange FTX on Monday said it will suspend deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, from September 12 at 1400 UTC. In addition, FTX will end support for Anchor Protocol, delist ANC, and suspend ANC spot and futures on September 12. Crypto exchange FTX, in an official announcement on September 5, revealed that deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, will be suspended on September 12 at 2 p.m. UTC. FTX wallet will no longer support deposit and withdrawal services. However, the crypto exchange will continue to support the convert function for lunc and USTC. FTX recommends completing deposits and withdrawals before the deadline. Deposits and withdrawals made after the deadline will not credit to wallets. In addition, FTX will delist Anchor Protocol, ANC, token. It will also end support for ANC spot and futures markets on September 12 at 2 p.m. UTC. FTX will cancel all ANC, USD and ANC perp orders, cease trading on ANC, USD and ANC perp markets, and suspend ANC deposits and withdrawals. Moreover, ANC perp will cash expire to a 1-hour TWAP of its corresponding index prices. However, the convert function for ANC will be available on the crypto exchange. Last week, FTX supported the Terra Classic, lunc, network upgrade on August 26. It reopened withdrawals for all Terra Classic tokens after a successful upgrade. Binance earlier announced the suspension of Terra Classic and Terra Classic USD due to the closure of the shuttle bridge. This ended deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, via the Ethereum network. However, users can still use the Terra Classic network to deposit and withdraw their lunc and USTC tokens. Terra community continues to support Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD despite the Terra crisis. In fact, all Terra tokens Luna, lunc, and USTC saw massive daily trading volume. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.